Wait, I know your bitch is like a Crayola. Wait, you can draw it on the table. Flip it like some YOLO. Check kisses. Really miss my mistress. 666. You bitch want my mentions. Sins don't make you. Sins gon' take you. Sins gon' fake you. Sins gon' betray you. Sins gon' fake you. Sins gon' shake you. Sins gon' take you. Sins gon' betray you. Sins gon' take you. Sins gon' take you.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm bringing you this beautiful look, and this is inspired by Valentine's Day and everything. So I don't know, I really like it. I just used the Morphe Jaclyn Hill palette and the Dare to Create palette, yeah. So the 39A, and kind of like the Huda Beauty palette, like the new buys that I bought, and I just like mixed them together, and it turned out like this. It's like really cute pinky look. And just let me know if you want me to do like an anti-Valentine's Day look or like another Valentine's Day look, like a maybe dolled down version, because this is like, I don't know, flirty and like, ooh, like, you know, all out, but not really all out because no glitter or anything, but like it's just like, I don't know. Just let me know if you want me to do another look and what kind of look you want it to be. So y'all, and if you just want to see how I got this, just keep watching. Okay, I'm going to take the ColourPop No Filter Concealer, and this one is in the color, I have the shade on here, but I think it is the one closest to the darkest one. So it's something golden maybe. I'm not sure. And I'm just taking some airspun powder on this little Sephora brush, and I'm just going to set my concealer in place to get it all prepared for the eyeshadow we're about to do. And to be honest, I don't really know what look I want to do. I always do this, like I always get on camera like, I don't know what I want to do. But yeah, I guess that's when the best looks turn out. So I want to do a Valentine's Day look, or like a date night look, since it's about to come up. I want to use this palette today, which is the Morphe 39A. It's a Dare to Create palette. And I'm just going to basically, this palette is so beautiful. Like, just look at all the shades. I'm going to take one of the middle shades. Let's see. This one right here. And on this ColourPop brush, and this one doesn't have a number on it, but I'm just going to apply this as my transition color. And then I'm going to take this pink color right here, and I'm just going to apply this to my outer corner. I'm taking this MAC 224 blending brush. This is so pigmented. Oh my god. So pigmented. And I'm basically just like tapping the color like very lightly. Just like placing it where I want it to go. Okay, then I'm going to take this color, the Huda Beauty palette, and I'm going to take kind of like a reddish orange color. I'm going to tap this and put it like right next to the pink color. Okay, that wasn't giving me the color that I really wanted, or like the opacity. I'm going to take this shade right here with the same brush in the Jaclyn Hill X Morphe palette, and I'm going to just try it again. Okay, that's much better. Now I'm taking this right here, this color right here. I'm going to put this in my inner corner. And I'm kind of just placing the colors right now. And then I'm going to blend them out later and like to make it better. I'm taking that same ColourPop concealer and this one of these Jessup concealer brushes. I'm just going to like attempt to cut my crease. I'm not really good at this. I don't really know how to do it though. Okay, I'm sorry, but the clip got deleted, so basically I'm just using the pinkish shade, the shimmery one, at the top, and I'm packing that into the concealer, and then I'm going to take the pink and purple and blend that all out into my crease. Okay, so I'm going to apply these lashes, which are just the double demi wispy lashes by Ardell. And I hate lashes. Okay, so I'm going to use a Fenty Beauty foundation, and this is in the shade 450. And this is Shake Well, so let's do this. I've wore this like this week, so I don't really have a thing, like an impression of it. I'm just going to take my beauty blender too, so I'm just taking the beauty blender and I'm taking the Pro Vista foundation, and I'm just going to apply this to my face. I forgot to apply primer, but I'm gonna take this off right after because I have to go to tennis. So yeah, this is it. I like the match for me. It's like really nice. My mom even said that she liked the match. She was like, it looks like just like your skin. And I'm gonna take my ColourPop concealer again, and I'm just gonna apply this to all like my highlighted areas. This concealer is just so good for the price. Like, first off, it's just very like, applicator is really nice. I like the color, and like it's like really full coverage. So if you like full coverage, you know, and most people do, so. I'm gonna like use this powder. I haven't used this in a long time. It's just a black opal. Hold on. Black opal powder. And this is like the one in medium. Don't like this. Makes me look so like dry. Yeah, so I'm gonna just use my Airspun powder, the translucent one. And I'm gonna take the Maybelline Fit Me foundation, and this is in the shade 375, and I'm so glad they expanded their range, like they went deeper. And I'm just gonna use this to contour, or like basically bring the warmth back into my face. I just take the beauty blender, like the top of the beauty blender, and I put the product on it, and then I'm just gonna like kind of carve everything out. I think I want to do my under eye like kind of smoky. I want to keep it like orange because I couldn't do like a lot of, like the color wasn't really showing up. It was just showing up more pink. So I'm going to like smoke out my little lash line with like warm tones. I'm just taking this little brush from Dursa Brushes. It's just a blending brush. This one's called a small tapered blending brush. And I'm going to take the shade in the Beauty palette, this one. I'm just going right under my eye. Okay, so now I'm going to apply highlighter, and I'm going to use this Wet n Wild highlighter. It's called, come on, focus. Okay, so it's called Crown of My Canopy. And yeah, so I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use this Morphe brush, which is a M310 brush, and it's like just a fan brush, but like all of the bristles are like going everywhere because I washed it so many times. I really like this brush. I don't usually like fan brushes, so yeah, I'm gonna just like these Wet n Wild highlighters are so good. They're like so blinding. See? I think confident will look the best. So we're gonna do that. Okay, so I just used the Confidence and then the Carnivores. I don't really like it, so this is an option if you guys want it, but I'm gonna do something else. Okay, so I couldn't figure out a color, so I basically just put eyeshadow on my lips. So I just did this Bow and Arrow by Canon T5i, which is too light for me, so I just put this Huda Beauty eyeshadow right here, all over my lips, and I dotted this in the middle, and then I did a brown liner, and I think I like it. I like it a lot, actually. But this is the finished look. I really like how it turned out. Shine, shine, shine. See that? And if you're wondering where I got this shirt from, because I get a lot of questions like, what shirt am I wearing? This is actually from the thrift store, so yeah. It's really nice. I really like it. Just a red turtleneck with like black detailing. And yeah, so hopefully you guys have somewhere to go on Valentine's Day, because I don't. I actually have school and then I have rehearsal, so I have nowhere to go and no one to go with. So yeah, I'm just gonna be doing my regular little life. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I hope you liked this video. And if you did, then like, comment, share, subscribe, all that. Turn on the post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. And then, you know, watch another video of mine. Just, you know, keep it rolling. But yeah, see you all next time. Bye.